Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking currency futures. Let's talk the yen, which finished down a little over 0.25%, around 91.76 in the June futures contract. That is now 7 of 9 days down for the yen. And North Korea is part of the reason. It's kind of an odd situation because the flight to quality bid that the yen usually gets has been being pulled out of the yen because the geopolitical situation, at least in the very short term, has gotten a little bit more calm, and North Korea coming to the table to discuss denuclearization and discuss peace, and declare peace rather, with the South, actually making a trip to South Korea. First leader since his grandfather took over to actually do that. Kim Jong-un I'm talking about. That has taken a lot of the flight to quality bid out of the yen, even though Japan was in that region, and when it was at its height, he was sending test missiles over Japan to land in the Sea of Japan, which you probably wouldn't want to own yen if that actually ended up happening with a nuclear warhead on it. But because the entire situation geopolitically is much more calm, it is one of the factors in why the yen is heading lower. Another factor last week, the Bank of Japan met. They left everything the same. They left their quantitative easing program the same. They left their target rate for the boom the same. They left their overnight interest rate the same. And they pushed back the date of their inflation target again. When Kuroda first talked about getting to a 2% inflation target, since then they have moved the date of that back 6 times. The most recent date was 2020. He has now pushed that back another year or two in terms of when they're going to get there. So again, weakening the yen as there's no talks and no possibility, according to that particular piece of news, that they're going to talk about easing up on the monetary stimulus the Bank of Japan has been doing for got an almost unmemorable period of time at this point. And then on top of that, the dollar rally continues to extend. The dollar's getting stronger and stronger. We have another up week, another up month in the US dollar index, going up above 91.36 today. That's now 7 of 9 days higher in the dollar index as well. Obviously, that's the currency that the yen is traded against the most. So you have to look at overall dollar strength to decide whether that's a part of why the yen is down. Today, it certainly is. This is Bob Iaccino talking about a weaker yen future from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.